Hello guys, I came across this Vietnamese chicken wings recipe that looked so good I had to try it. I've linked the original recipe here and all my ingredients are also in the description box. The first step is to season the chicken. And also there's a use of fish sauce. Now fish sauce is quite strong, so you can choose to use it or omit it, but I thought it was really strong. But I wanted to follow the recipe, the original one, without changing anything. So add the dry seasonings and the fish sauce and rub everything in until the chicken looks like so. And now you're ready to coat it. So you'll need cornstarch, baking powder, and salt. Mix those ingredients and whisk them together and you're ready to cut your chicken pieces. Go ahead and cut the chicken and place it somewhere. Cut it all before you start frying to be, for everything to be uniform. So fry the chicken in medium-high heat until it is nicely browned. The original recipe recommends double frying, where you fry and drain and return it and fry again. But when the chicken is ready, drain it off the heat. And now we are ready to make the sweet, sour, and spicy sauce. Fry some shallots or red onions, and then add in your garlic. You don't have to mince it, just dice it, and it will be good. And then add some brown sugar and then some more fish sauce. Like I said, it's really strong, the fish sauce, so you'll find it when you try it. And then add in your peppers. I'm using red and green, and then some green onions as well. So all these ingredients are going to add a bit of crunch, a different texture to the chicken, which is really good. At this point, squeeze in the juice of one lime. Add it in there. So it's going to be sweet, sour, and spicy. Like I said, it's really tasty. And now add in your cilantro and then the chicken. So when you drain the chicken off the oil, you let it, sit somewhere, and now add it to the sauce and just toss it until everything is well combined and your chicken is ready to serve. It tastes so good. I mean, the fish sauce was really strong for me, but I did not mind it. So when you try this recipe, if you choose to use it, you'll find it. You'll see for yourself. But that is the end. I hope you like this recipe. I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.